Today's cancer diagnostic and treatment has changed dramatically. Karolinska Comprehensive Cancer Center has increased the overall responsibility for the patient by bringing together cutting-edge expertise in highly specialized cancer care and basic translational and clinical cancer research. What are the challenges? How is the work progressing? And what are the opportunities in the future? Please listen to some voices from the Karolinska Comprehensive Cancer Center.
Well, Karolinska Institutet is one of the world's best medical universities, and bringing the lab benches closer to the patients will for sure bring new treatments closer to the patients.
With close collaboration between researchers and clinicians, and many researchers holding clinical roles, we are easily able to identify patients and offer participation in a variety of clinical trials.
I think this is very, very important for our patients. The precision medicine offers individualized treatment, the best possible treatment option for each patient. But for that, we need to analyze the molecular landscape of each patient.
For example, our numerous exercise trials that we have for patients during treatment and after treatment. And these exercise trials we conduct on site here at the hospital in our state-of-the-art training lab, which is in the same building as our inpatient wards and radiation treatment facility.
So by coupling these technologies to the patient samples and the patient images that we generate in healthcare, we can really boost the precision medicine and offer the best possible treatments to the patients.
We have a strong culture where we cooperate with patient representatives close to the healthcare business. It's very useful for our patients, but also for those of us who work in healthcare.
As researchers on the floor, we are more easily able to identify knowledge gaps and areas for new research. And also with one of our strengths is the collaboration between the hospital and the university. So we are more easily able to implement new knowledge into practice and do this effectively.
We also have a large involvement of patients around our management tables, and we also strive to have patient representatives in all management tables. This gives us a natural dialogue in cooperation and the decision-making paths much shorter. For us, patient views are very important.
So to reduce the gap between clinical practice and research, we have scheduled weekly meetings together with preclinical researchers and also other oncologists. So whenever a clinical research question is raised, we have like a fast track into the preclinical research environment. And this leads to a very creative environment where new ideas are highlighted.
I believe that one very good opportunity that we took in the start of fall last year was a project to reach out to patients during weeknights and even holidays and weekends. And I believe that a lot of patients really appreciated that.
All this together, we can find new ways of solving clinical issues. We are now in collaboration with SciLife evaluating a drug testing panel which can help us to choose and to individualize treatment for gynecological cancer.
For me, it's given a lot of joy, and I've learned a lot because a lot of patients are very desperate for contact during weeknights and weekends, and it means a lot to them to have a nurse with good knowledge to talk to and get advice from.
Well, I think Karolinska is the place to go when nobody else can help you. It's the sort of last resort when you have a very advanced disease and there is nothing left. And I think the pride of working at Karolinska is coming from that sort of part of the work, that this is where you go when you have nothing else. And here you get the latest treatments, the treatments that are not yet on the market, So I think that's the main sort of unique selling point of working at Karolinska, in my view.